Introduction. Have you ever looked in the mirror and noticed those stubborn dark spots that seem to show up out of nowhere on your hands, face, or chest? If you're over 50, you probably know exactly what I'm talking about. Those age spots that make you feel like time is moving faster than you'd like. You're definitely not alone. Millions of people deal with the same frustration every morning, trying expensive creams, booking costly treatments, and still seeing those unwanted spots staring back at them. But here's the good news: what if the secret to fading those spots in just 20 minutes was already in your kitchen? Yes, too simple. Natural ingredients can make a real difference. No harsh chemicals, no expensive appointments. And before we dive in, if you're over 45 and struggling with fatigue, stubborn weight, or just not feeling like yourself, we've created a quick 60-second quiz that gives you a free personalized natural health report. The link is in the description. And if this video helps you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more powerful natural remedies like this one. Now, let's uncover why these dark spots appear and how you can finally do something about them. Starting today. Why age spots happen and what it means for you. Those dark patches on your skin aren't just a cosmetic issue. They're actually signs of how your skin has protected you over the years from sun exposure, hormonal shifts, and the natural aging process. Each spot tells a story of how your skin worked tirelessly to shield you. But the truth is, these spots don't just change how you look, they affect how you feel. Maybe you've started wearing long sleeves even in warm weather, or avoiding photos altogether. And the worst part, most treatments are either slow, expensive, or damaging. Chemical peels can burn, laser treatments cost a fortune, and prescription creams can cause redness and irritation. You might have already spent hundreds on products that promised miracles and delivered disappointment. That's because the beauty industry profits from keeping you hooked, selling complicated solutions while nature's answer sits quietly in your kitchen. And today, we're revealing that very solution, one that's simple, safe, and proven effective over generations. The potato and ginger remedy. Nature's secret duo. The secret isn't found in fancy labs or luxury spas. It's in two humble ingredients you already know well: potatoes and ginger. These two, when combined, create a gentle yet powerful formula that helps reduce dark spots naturally. Potatoes contain an enzyme called catecholase, which helps balance melanin production, the pigment responsible for dark spots. They're also rich in vitamin C, which brightens skin tone and supports the natural repair process. Ginger, on the other hand, boosts blood circulation, allowing more nutrients to reach your skin. It's packed with antioxidants and has strong anti-inflammatory properties, helping your skin heal faster and look healthier. When combined, potato and ginger work together beautifully. The potato lightens and exfoliates gently, while ginger rejuvenates from within. It's nature's perfect team for glowing, even-toned skin. How to prepare and apply the remedy. Making this remedy at home is simple and takes just a few minutes. Here's what to do. 1. Take one fresh raw potato, wash it well, and grate it finely. You'll notice juice forming. That's your skin's best friend. 2. Next, peel a thumb-sized piece of fresh ginger and grate it too. 3. Combine both ingredients to form a smooth paste. If it's too thick, add a few drops of the potato juice. If too thin, add a bit more grated potato. Before applying, make sure your skin is clean and dry. Then, spread the mixture generously on the areas with dark spots, whether it's your face, hands, or chest. Now gently massage the mixture in circular motions. This step is important. It boosts blood flow, helps the nutrients absorb deeply, and wakes up your skin's natural renewal process. You might feel a mild tingling. That's normal and shows the ginger is doing its job. The 20-minute transformation. Once applied, leave the mixture on for 20 minutes. This is when the magic happens. The natural enzymes, antioxidants, and vitamins start working to fade dark spots and rejuvenate your skin. You may feel a gentle warmth as the ginger improves circulation. Relax during this time. Maybe sip tea, read, or simply breathe and let nature do its work. After 20 minutes, rinse with warm water while continuing light circular motions. Pat your skin dry gently, never rub. You'll notice an instant sense of freshness, smoothness, and a soft glow. The results get better with every use. Natural beauty takes time, but it's worth it. How often to use and when you'll see results? Use this treatment 2 to 3 times a week for best results. You'll start noticing changes within a week: a brighter tone, smoother texture, and gradually fading spots. After a month, the improvement will be visible even to others. By the 3rd month, your skin will look rejuvenated, radiant, and far more even-toned naturally. 1 potato and a small piece of ginger can last for multiple treatments, making this method not just effective, but extremely cost-efficient. It's gentle enough for long-term use, and it improves more than just dark spots. It also supports overall skin health, reduces fine lines, and adds a youthful glow. Boost your results naturally. To make your results even better, stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water to keep your skin cells healthy. Protect your skin from the sun. Always use sunscreen and avoid long sun exposure. Eat antioxidant-rich foods like berries, leafy greens, and colorful vegetables. Get good sleep. Your skin repairs itself while you rest. You can also add a drop of honey to your mixture for extra hydration and healing. Remember, natural healing takes consistency. Be patient, stay regular, and let your skin heal at its own pace. Conclusion, and that's it: a simple, 2-ingredient natural solution that can help fade dark spots, restore your confidence, and give your skin that youthful glow again. If you have sensitive skin, always do a quick patch test before applying it to larger areas. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more natural remedies and wellness tips. Your support helps us keep bringing you safe, effective, and natural solutions for real-life skin and health concerns. Take care of yourself, be patient, and remember, true beauty shines when you nurture your body the natural way.